Good morning, Tea Tigers. This is Mrs. Ferguson, and today we will be talking about possessive nouns. So, possessive nouns show ownership, and they have an apostrophe. Looking at our example on the screen, the first one they show is a car. And to make it possessive, car's tire, you must put an apostrophe before the S. Words that are singular or don't end in S need the apostrophe S. We see car in singular, and then we see car's tire with an apostrophe. We also see the word nurse. That singular does not end in an S. To make it possessive, we write nurse's hat. We need the apostrophe before the S. If we look at the example next to that, it says student's classroom. So plurals that end in S or other words ending in S, you need to put the apostrophe after the S that is already there. So we see in orange the word students is plural. To make it possessive, we add the apostrophe after the S. Or a last name or a first name that ends with an S, Alanis. We see that to make it possessive, you must put the apostrophe after the S in the name Alanis. So looking at the very bottom, we have singular words. On the left, car. Car is singular. The car's tire. You need to have the apostrophe before the S because we had to add the S. Looking underneath that, where there are two cars, that's plural. To make it possessive, the car's tires, you put the apostrophe after the S because the S was already there because it was a plural word. Looking to the right, where we have the picture of Ms. Alanis, her last name already ends in an S. So we follow that same rule for Mrs. Alanis's glasses. She is owning those glasses. So we have to put that apostrophe after the S because it was already there. So remember, when we're dealing with possessive nouns, if the word is singular, one car, one dog, to make it plural, to make it possessive, you add an apostrophe S. If the word is already plural or ends in an S, like cars or Mrs. Alanis, you have to add the apostrophe after the S that is already there.